Hello. Hello, my people. How are you? This is Sir Harrison yet again. Another day, another dollar. So, how's your day? How is your day? So, personally, my day is not that bad. I'm grateful to God, regardless of all the shenanigans. I'm quite grateful. I'm usually grateful in each and everything. I do not take anything for granted. So I am quite grateful. So I am currently at Runda. We've started this video from Runda. It is just a continuation of my previous video. So this is Runda. And I'm going all the way to Kasarani. I'm heading all the way to Kasarani. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I want to show you Nairobi. Most of you on the comment section usually say that my videos can be used as a reference. You can just use my videos as a reference. So people are truly constructing shops using these containers. So that's also a nice business idea. That's a nice business ideas. People use containers. They use containers to construct such or other shops. Sisi ngapi? 18. 18 iko fair. Then ni Toyota. So guys, have a look at this place. They are constructing nice. Have a look at that. Very nice. Very, very nice. By the Kenyans are truly innovative. Kenyans are truly innovative and also creative, by the way. Kenyans are also creative. Because things like M-Pesa, it's only in Kenya. Okay, it is not only in Kenya because currently it's spreading to other parts of Africa, but originally it was engineered in Kenya. So I must give credit to where it's due. Kenyans are truly creative. So this is the northern bypass. Yeah, we are currently at the northern bypass. We are going all the way to Kasarani. That guy is crazy, man. He's crazy. But personally, I'll not encourage that. Because at that speed without helmet, that's quite risky. Hiyo mvua, unaonaje hiyo mvua? Oh, yeah. Songea hiyo Nissan niende. Guys, it is raining heavily. huyo jamaa anakuona kweli? Guys, it is raining heavily. Punguza tumbio, siende sana pia, tusirisk pia. Kuna magari huwa zinaingianga, kama ile bike iligongwa. Haya. Ay. Niajeni? Kopoa? So guys, it's raining. It's raining heavily. Have a look at the way I've been rained on, man. So we've decided to at least take shelter. We've decided to at least take shelter at this place. So this is a petrol station. It's called Shell. So Shell petrol station is almost everywhere. Almost everywhere in Kenya. So they've mastered the art of visibility. You might be big, but when you're not visible enough, then you'll not be making sales as required. Same as Safaricom. Safaricom is quite huge, but they've mastered the art of visibility. So what does that tell you? What does that tell you? I'm just checking my camera. I'm not sure. So guys, thank you so much. Let me end my video from this part. I hope you people have enjoyed. So thank you so much. Let's link up on my next video. This is Sir Harrison. Tell a friend to watch my videos. By the way, uko na umbrella. By the way, pia hatukujua. Na unaona aje tungepitia nini? Unaona aje tungepitia hii? So guys, I was about to end this video, but let me just proceed. Unaona sasa shida, hebu angalia hiyo cameo lens. Kuna mali ni kama inaingiza nayo. So guys, you do not want to take chances. Just do not want to take chances. I might damage my camera for no good reason. So maybe let me pause my video from here. I'll proceed probably later.